This is a tour of my workshop, so I'm going to show you all the different things I've got and what they do. So we'll start over here. Over here we've got some storage. There's a few different boxes with different things in them. And we've got some shelves for more storage. This shelf up here is some things that I've made. Then here on the workbench we've got a drill press. So it's not got a drill bit in it right now, but it moves up and down, you can drill holes in things. A bit more accurate than using a hand drill. We've got a TV screen here, so I can use this for testing things like CCTV cameras. We've got a lamp. We've got this thing here I made, which is got some connections that go to the TV and also the antenna one over there. You might not be able to read that, it's a bit small, but it goes to that antenna up there. So it's got video and audio. It's also got, it's not plugged in right now, but it's got like a USB power supply. So it'll display the voltage and current. So in here we've got some tools. I've got a 12 volt power supply here. And there's a soldering iron. And a oscilloscope. Electric screwdriver. There's the actual soldering iron. Got a signal generator up here. This is actually the one in my profile picture. Got some tape over here. And here we've got some drawers. This tablet on top is a wireless camera. So it points at my new 3D printer, so I can just make sure that it's printing properly if I'm in a different room. So I've got a couple of wire up here. We've got some different connectors and all different things in these drawers. In these drawers here we've got some LEDs, other stuff like that. 3D printer here. Got some filament on the back there. That's a bit here. I've got a computer. It's quite an old computer and it doesn't really work that well, so I'm getting a new one soon. But it works alright for now. So here we've got some more cupboards. Cupboards underneath the computers. Got quite a lot of stuff in there. So it's got like speakers, power supplies, socket, stuff like that. We've also got some tools, a label printer, watt meter, soldering gun, a craft knife, a little torch that I've made. I think the battery's dead. In here we've got a 12 volt battery charger, a variable power supply. This is some filament that came with my 3D printer. I just don't have a place to put it yet. Under my computer, this is also something I've made. It's a car stereo, but not actually in the car, so it uses a power supply. A 12 volt power supply from a Wi-Fi router, and it's connected to that speaker and that speaker. I've got a couple of webcams, so there's one here, and these are actually spare parts, so you can buy laptop webcams on eBay for quite cheap. So you just fit a USB connector onto them. There's another one over here. That's the USB connector. This one here is on a 3D printed ball and socket joint. You can move it around a bit. And so that's it really. There's quite a few things in these cupboards and drawers, but I won't really go through them because the video will be like half an hour long if I did.